Meditation is like taking a break for your mind. It is a way to find peace and quiet inside yourself. You can meditate anywhere, anytime. Find a comfortable place, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Meditation is not about stopping your thoughts, it's about watching them come and go, like clouds in the sky. Don't worry if your mind wanders, just gently bring your attention back to your breath. Even a few minutes of meditation can make a difference. Try it every day and you'll start to notice the benefits. Meditation helps to calm your mind and reduce stress. When you meditate, you learn to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This can help you to let go of negative thoughts and emotions. Regular meditation can improve your focus and concentration. It can also boost your creativity and problem-solving skills. When your mind is clear and calm, you can think more clearly and creatively. Meditation can also help you to develop greater self-awareness. By paying attention to your thoughts and feelings, you can learn more about yourself and how you react to different situations. Meditation is not just good for your mind, it's also good for your body. Studies have shown that meditation can help to lower blood pressure, reduce anxiety, and improve sleep quality. When you meditate, your body relaxes, your muscles loosen, and your breathing slows down. This can help to reduce physical tension and pain. Meditation can also boost your immune system. Studies have shown that people who meditate regularly are less likely to get sick. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably with your back straight but not stiff. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Focus on your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your abdomen as you breathe in and out. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Start with just a few minutes of meditation each day, and gradually increase the time as you feel comfortable. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Just be patient and kind to yourself and enjoy the benefits of a calmer, more peaceful mind and body.